All right, well, we got the trailer all hooked up, ready to go. We got Brickrod and Greasy Corner Garage over here. We're headed to go pick up something. It could be good, it could be not so good.
It's good. You don't like it because it's not the brand you like.
It's gonna be great. Could be good, it could be not so good. Let's find out. It's a little rainy today, but it's always a good day to pick up another ride. All right, so we are here to pick up the next ride for Brickrod Garage, and well, is it that? Because the hood's up on it and it won't start, so it's got to be that. It's got to be that Alpha. I mean, seriously, these guys are trying to get this thing started, but yeah. Let's look at it. Yeah. That's about like what Brickrod should get. I mean, it won't start.
I mean, it's the right color. Everything else
it's red for them. I mean, seriously.
It's like, you know,
it's
like
got.
red.
Is it this, yeah. or but don't look at Matthew's good side there. Yeah. Don't look at that. Or let's see what else we got over here. Or is it this? Is it this? I mean, that's kind of cool, but. Oh, there's another red one. Maybe it's that red one. I don't know, man. We're trying to figure out what he's getting over here. It's always something. It's got to be the thing that needs to work, though. I mean, the thing that won't start. It's got to be his. I mean, it's got "Do It for Dale" right here on the back. I mean, seriously. 3 for Dale. Let's do it for Dale. Yeah. I mean, we are in Race City, USA, Mooresville, North Carolina. So.
Well, it cranked the other day.
See, he said it cranked the other day.
It ran the other day.
Now, I'm not going to make any fun because I had fuel pump problems just the other day as well, so.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I heard it like make a
anyway.
noise, and then it went.
All right, we'll get back to it. Let's see if we can get this thing started.
Go ahead.
No spark.
Not a sparkage. The sparkulators are not working.
It's the coil.
The coilator. The culture. The culture. What are these spark plug adapters? What is that going on there?
Yeah, I'm gonna change the plugs. I don't like this plug.
Yeah, I mean, is that factory? Okay.
The Pope didn't bless it before.
Now that we got the Italian job out of the way, yeah, it's up there in the street. We had to push it up there because, of course, Italian car things. But yeah, well, we got to get to the garage to where we can get the real thing that Eddie got. And it looks like we have Ford things happening now. Sorry, I talked.
Don't curse it.
We have our Ford expert here, so.
Yeah.
It's got gas.
I brought my lighter.
No pressure, Matt. No pressure.
It's got gas and he has a lighter, so. Bring the thunder!
All right, pop the hood.
Well, see, one of the rare options this Mustang has is the Blue Oval Delete here. I like that.
Yeah.
It does have the dual exit of the exhaust here on the back side. Uh-oh.
It didn't have enough fuel.
Yeah. It's been sitting for a week.
You got 4 pounds?
Yeah. So I've got the.
You need about 7.
Yeah. It won't go.
That's a nice.
There we go. Sound a little rowdy. A little 1983 Ford Mustang.
Yeah, 5 pounds is probably just barely enough to keep the fuel carburetor full. Regulator probably needs to turn out to 7. it's down to 3.
Now you know why we brought the trailer. See? It left its mark.
About the clutch. We're gonna take care of that.
Clutch, who needs clutch?
Hey, you got up out of the driveway.
Yeah, stop right there.
See, that it is. This is Brickrod's new ride.
The only gloves.
Look at the man. He's happy. He looks happy, doesn't he? He's
It's
happy.
better than the last one we
He's got his
brought
Fox
home.
body. He's got his Fox body hoodie on.
I replaced one Fox body with a better one.
This is better.
This is much better than the
I
last
mean,
one.
this is better.
This one has a.
It's still a 4-letter word that begins with an F. So,
I grew up with Ford cars. What can I say? Chevy trucks and Ford cars. Blame my parents. It's their fault.
and Charles, look at that smile. He's like, I'm getting rid of a piece of junk. He's like, yes, yes.
It's somebody else's problem now.
But no, look at all the cool parts. He's got more parts. It's always great when you buy something and you get parts with it.
Yeah, and there's some stuff in the storage shed back there.
And there's more stuff back yonder way.
We put thousands of dollars in parts in these.
So yours is barely going to be on this ramp for it to fit, you know? Like that tire's going to be like right here, not out here.
I just said don't go through my tailgate. That's all.
Yeah, I think that's probably about right. The weight will be on the trailer, not on the truck, which this truck will hold it.
Oh, it'll hold a whole lot.
I need to go inside and talk for a second.
You're gonna climb over.
Oh, I mean,
I'm not recording this in case you fall at all.
However,
In case you do, though, we want proof.
Careful, slippery when wet.
Yeah. Look at that, folks. He did it like a pro. Oh, thank you. All right, let's go.
All right, well, we made it to Brickrod's world headquarters here.
Oh, yeah.
And he's setting up a tripod over there. We're about to unload this thing. This is actually the maiden toe for this truck, for Thunder Thighs over here. So yeah, that did good. Not sure that we actually had the trailer brakes turned on, but it's okay. It's not like it's a whole lot of weight anyway. 454. She did all right. So let's see if we can get this thing started up and get it off of the truck, or off the trailer here. See if Matt can work his magic.
We got our Ford guy here.
Yeah.
Think I should pump it?
Yeah, I think it's not getting fuel. Yeah. So this is not good gas. It might just be the idle needs to be turned up. Like, it takes the fuel good. It's throttle. The pump works. So got it done. It's just always been you're good on the gas.
Now turn. Or are you going to try to back it in?
Yeah, we can take the air cleaner off of it and turn that idle screw up if you want.
She's fixed! Woo! I'd a little high, but hey. Way better. Say that again.
This one runs a lot better than the last one we brought home. But I mean, this one has a motor, so that helps a little bit.
Yeah. And it has a steering wheel.
It does.
So I'm at full throttle.
Yeah.
It ain't giving it no fuel. So that might be the 3 pound problem. It's not filling up the bowl. I mean, it's got the bowl height.
It's idling now, though.
It is.
It was idling real high at first, but yeah, you
The
gotta
idle here is shut off completely. Now they're where they're supposed to be.
Oh, almost there. Okay, well, maybe it's not fixed, but I think we know the problem. But it is getting EFI, so no need to spend too much time working on the carburetor. All right, that's it for this episode of Rev'd Garage. Thanks for joining us on the journey to get Brickrod Garage's new to him 1983 convertible Mustang.